Guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can copy your Instagram URL link on your Instagram profile. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Instagram account. After doing so, you have to click on your profile. So after going to profile, you have to click on edit profile. Then you have to click on username option here. After that, you have to click on this and copy your username. It will need after some times. So then you have to go back and open up your Chrome browser from here. So please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after opening the Chrome browser, you have to click on search option and type instagram.com. Then you have to type slash and you have to paste your username here. Okay, so I suggest you to copy your username so that you don't put your username wrong, then you can't find your profile. So after pasting your profile username here, you have to click on go. Then you will find your profile here. So to copy your Instagram profile link, you have to click on search option here and you have to click on copy. Then you can send it to anyone or you can use it anywhere. So this is how you can copy your Instagram URL link on your Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.